In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can resize your taskbar here on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Whether you want to make it smaller or larger, it's completely up to you. Now, if you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more easy tech guides just like this. First things first, once you do get onto your computer, we are going to need to go ahead and install a free app called WinHawk in order to do this. Open up your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm going to open up Google Chrome, but it really doesn't matter what you open. And essentially search up in the top for WinHawk, just like so. Hit enter and go to the official WinHawk website, which is windhawk.net. Once you do get on it, go ahead and click download and install it like any other app by going through the whole setup process, hitting OK a few times, and then letting it install. Now, once it does install for you, it should automatically open up, or you could just simply search for it down here. But once you do get in the app, go ahead and click on this Browse for Mods section, and in this little search bar, go ahead and search Taskbar just like so, and look for the mod called Taskbar Height and Icon Size. Go ahead and click Details on it, and then hit Install to begin installing it. Once it does finish installing, find this little settings icon up at the very top and click on it just like so. Once it does install, back out to the installed mod section and click on details again, and then find the settings option right here. Within the settings option, you'll have the ability to adjust the taskbar height, icon size, button width, small icon size, and so much more. For my example, I'm going to set the setting to 65 right here instead of 52. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, it makes it a little bit bigger. Nothing too significant. Once I do that and hit save, as you can see, it makes it just a little bit bigger. Nothing too significant, but that's kind of how I like it. But yeah, that's it. You now have full control over the size of your taskbar. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day.